Hey people, so see who I have here, this little superstar. It's like today is May 9th, and it's been a very lucky day for me in terms of I could finish cleaning up the house and do my yoga and cook. Like, all these are like specialized tasks that, sometimes what happens is we are able to do only one thing well. Here, over the past few weeks, I was concentrating, like, sometimes some idea sticks in your mind about dark circles, and when you think of it often enough, you end up with dark circles too. But one of the major changes I've decided to do is to not wear makeup, because somehow, I feel like my body is rejecting makeup. I just don't know. So this is the little superstar, and maybe I might step out for a walk. I'm not sure, but let's see. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.